Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is how to calculate the shaded area in this square. How can we solve this? This area is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and the required shaded area is A. Then the required shaded area will be equal to area of the square, which is 100 minus A1 plus A2 plus A3. How can we find A1, A2 and A3? A1 is equal to the total length from here to here is 10. So this is 5. This will be also 5. This will be also 5. This will be also 5. And this length is 10. So A1 is equal to 25 by 2. Half into 5 into 5. Similarly, A2 is equal to 50 divided by 2. How can we find A3? For A3, we need to calculate the height of this triangle. But how can we calculate the height of this triangle? This is A, this is B, this is C. So first we need to calculate AC. So AC square by Pythagoras theorem equal to 5 square plus 10 square, and we can write this as 5 square plus 2 into 5 whole square and 5 square plus 4 into 5 square, and this is take 5 square common, 1 plus 4, so 5 square into 5, and AC is equal to 5 square root of 5. So AC is 5 square root of 5, but this length will be 5 square root of 5 divided by 2 because these are equal. This will be also 5 square root of 5 divided by 2, and the total length of AC is 5 square root of 5. Now let this angle is theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. Similarly, if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta, and this will be theta. Let this point is D and this point is E. Now if we look at the triangle ABC and triangle ADE, these two triangles are similar. So if they are similar, then we can write H divided by 5 square root of 5 divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 5 square root of 5, and 5 square root of 5 will be cancelled with this, and 2h equal to 10. So from here we get h equal to 5. If h equal to 5, then A3 is equal to half of 5 into 10, and this is also equal to 25 by 2. Sorry, 50 by 2. If this is 50 by 2, we will put all the values here, and the required area will be equal to 100 minus A1 plus A2 plus A3, and this is equal to 125 by 2, and A is equal to 75 by 2 centimeter square, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.